What is up, OSIMA Ball Reviews? Keegan here, and today we're talking about 900 Global and something new that's popped up on some overseas distributors that is not listed as an overseas bowling ball. Now, you see the 900 Global page on stormbowling.com. Nothing we haven't seen before. Newest ball is the Zen U, released back in November. It's pretty the standard stuff they've had for a while. Now, I'm going to show you two different pages showing the same bowling ball. This is the 900 Global Eternity, which, let's look at the specs here. Of course, it has React Gloss, S84R response Pearl, with a 249 RG, 50 diff, and a 14 intermediate differential. And of course, the core, you can see the colors here. Core is called the Epoch. It's definitely different than the Reality in overall shape, but you can kind of see some similarities there. This is a better image of the ball itself. And here is why I am saying this is going to be stateside. If we look over here and we go to, this is another European Pro Shop website. Go to 900 Global. Of course, it's a top line ball, so it's the more expensive stuff. As we wait for it to load, you can see here in the 900 Global page, they actually have a ton of good options for this. It says soon, new, top line, or top seller. But you can see when it comes to the ball name itself, it does not say OEM, but you look at the Zen Ashura, the Duty, the Cruise Gold, all of those say OEM. Meaning, this most likely is going to be a full line bowling ball. Let's check out the others, because there is one exception. And who knows, this one may actually end up showing up now to us. But this is Wolverine Strike, which is a solid version of the Wolverine. Who knows when we'll see that one, if we'll see that one, but I hope we do. That sounds like a really good ball reaction. But yeah, 900 Global Eternity. This kind of just seems more like an altered reality replacement. Actually, you know what? Let's pull up the altered and let's compare. Just because I don't remember the specs off the top of my head. Gotta love slow internet, guys. Gotta love it. Alright. Alright. Yep, same S84 response Pearl. Let's see. This one has 249, 52, 18, while the Eternity has 249, 5 or 50, and 14. So I think what we're gonna see comparatively is that just the Eternity may be literally a touch smoother, just a touch, not a ton, but I guess it's those post drilling numbers that really matter. But yeah, 900 Global Eternity. What do y'all think? Tell me in the comments.